yung mag-a-apply sa future impeachments at hindi pa sa kanya. Bagaman yung rules of court ay suppletorily applicable naman na, so yung mga bagong provision ng rules of court, baka hindi na specifically kailangan ilagay pa ron.
So that means hindi nyo na-amyendahan yung existing impeachment rules?
Pwedeng hindi kung ang impeachment court ay magpapasya ng gano'n na nga. Pero base sa mga suggestion, may mga galaw ang iba't ibang senador na amyendahan ng ilang provision ng impeachment rules.
Yung witness box na kasi binabadaw yung
pa yung
witness.
dati, hindi pala nakain ng anay.
So yun pa rin ang gagamitin, sir?
Oo, yun pa rin.
Next.
Sayang naman kung papagawa pa ako ng bago.
So yun yung ginamit kay ni CJ Corona?
Oo. Buhay pa nga siya. Babaguhin lang namin yung barnes kasi nag-iba na yung kulay ng barnes.
Okay, next po si Ma'am Myla.
Hello, sir. SP. Sir, na-mention nyo kanina, balikan ko lang yung sinabi nyo.
Lalim naman ang boses natin ngayong mga ganito.
Lalaki, sir, ngayon. Habang walang sesyon, wala kayong magagawa. May na-raise, sir, kaninang idea si Senator Coco na pwede daw, sir, mag-convene ng Senate on its own, possibly daw by, majority na of the senators agreeing to it, or pwede daw siya pag-aralan. Kasi daw, sir, bakit daw kailangan hintayin?
Pwedeng
mag-convene on its own as an impeachment court instead of waiting for the president to call for a special session.
Hindi ako sang-ayon doon, pero i-consider namin. Hindi ako sang-ayon, bakit? Kailangan in open session i-convene ang court. Kailangan in open session i-refer yung impeachment complaint. Kailangan in open session sumumpa yung mga senador bilang judges. Ngayon, kung gagawin ko yan, tataliwas yata yan sa posisyon at paninindigan ko na buong ingat naming itutuloy ito nang hindi minamadali at walang ginagawang pagkakamali o misstep. Pag ginawa namin yan, parang binigyan mo lamang ng dagdag na namang rason ang nasasakdal na umakyat na naman at questionin yan. Dahil ideya at opinion lamang yan na wala naman tinatayuan talagang probisyon ng batas.
Sir, parang sinasabi niya kasi, yung gagawin yung move naman is not you acting as a legislative body, but as an impeachment court. So, parang outside...
Asan pa rin nga sa rules yan? Pag ginawa ko nga yan, kung ikaw si VP Sara, kakwestiyonin mo, hindi. Kakwestiyonin mo, di ba? So, ba't ko dadagdagan pa yun?
Sir, sinasabi mo, pwede
sa ngalan na mamadali ito ngayon?
No, not necessarily, sir.
No, so, ba't ko gagawin? Ba't ko gagawin na pwedeng questionin?
Pero the fact, sir, that you said na it may be considered, tama ba? Na pwede ma-consider yun?
No, I'm referring it to the Rules Committee and the legal team, but I'm answering you based on my opinion. As I said, sa opinion ko, ba't ko bibigyan ng bala at armas ang nasasakdal para questionin yung proseso namin? Why will I go out on a limb on something that's not been tested? Why will I do something that hasn't been done before? Lahat ng sinasabi kong gagawin namin, nagawa na dati ng Senate as an impeachment court o nagawa na ng Senate kaugnay sa ibang function namin kabilang ng SET. Hindi isang bagay na iniimbento ko lang ngayon sa ngalan ng impeachment complaint kay VP Sara. Ba't ba siya naiiba?
Sir,
hindi siya espesyal. Ang tingin ko hindi espesyal na impeachment na mga pinagdaanan naming impeachment complaint.
Yes, sir. Kung hindi manggagaling sa user initiative, let's say may majority members na nag-sign ng manifesto, calling you, urging you.
That's not under our rules. Well, we can meet here. They can meet here. Majority can meet here. I can even join them.
So in short, sir, hindi ka mapipressure kahit ng mga ganong opinion ng majority ng kasamahan mo sa Senate?
Yung assumption mo, ang layo na. Sumulat pa lang si Coco, minority pa siya. Majority ka na agad. Hindi, malayo na yun eh. Ang layo na.
Pero sir, nire-raise yung idea na possibility siya. Hindi, it's not something far. Pero, I mean, if he gets the support of the majority members, then that becomes a possibility now.
Ang layo na nga eh. Una, minority ang sumulat, ni hindi miyembro ng majority. Sabi ko, hindi ako sang-ayon, pero i-refer ko sa legal team, sa Senate rules para i-considera nila. Dahil ayaw ko naman baliwalain basta-basta ang opinion ng isang miyembro ng Senado. Pero ang layo naman anong talon mo na biglang may majority, tapos may pressure, tapos magko-convene. Wala pa yun. Wala pa tayo doon. Pag nandun na tayo, at least makakain tayo uli sa labas. para sagutin ko yan.
Next, A more. Then, palimit na lang po yung questions up to follow-up para po mabigyan ng chance yung ibang magtanong.
Opo. SP, to clarify po, yung status po ng impeachment now is ongoing yung preparations for the logistics and then dinadraft po yung rules?
Dinadraft yung proposed amendments sa rules. Hindi namin dinadraft yung rules. Proposed amendments dahil it's the Senate as a legislative body that should approve the rules.
And,
Not the impeachment court, the Senate.
and ang nagdadraft po, tama po ba yung Office of the Senate Secretariat? Senate Secretary?
Yes, the Senate Secretary in conjunction with the legal department of the Senate and in consultation with some practicing lawyers.
Ito po yung i-approve on the first day of the session.
Ito yung ipopropose namin for approval on the first day of the session.
Opo. And SP, pa-specify lang po ng timeline na nakikita nyo po sa ngayon, kailan yung start, for example, ng pre-trial and yung trial mismo?
Depende. Ulitin ko Pag inotorisa ako na ako lang magpadala ng summons, na tingin ko pwede at dapat, pero kailangan pahintulutan ng plenaryo, 10 araw para sumagot. Mag-file ng answer. Matapos niyang matanggap yung summons namin. So, kailan niya matatanggap yun? So, gawin mo 2 araw. 10 araw matapos matanggap naman ng prosecution na makapag-file sila ng reply. Kung gusto pa nila mag-file ng iba't ibang pleadings, tagli-5 araw yun mula sa pagkakatanggap. So, inulit ko, rejoinder, surrejoinder, ad cautela pleadings which can mean anything. Meaning, pwede sila magsagutan hanggang gusto nila. Pagkatapos nun, sang-ayon sa rules of court, the supplementary application to the Senate Rules on Impeachment, not more than 30 calendar days for us to set the pre-trial. Yung pre-trial, pwedeng tumagal ng 1 araw hanggang 5 araw. Pwedeng tumagal ng 10 araw. Depende kung gaano karaming mga piraso ng ebidensya ang papamarkahan nila. Pagkatapos nun, doon pa lamang pwedeng mag-set ng trial.
So, SP, when is the earliest, in your estimate, na magagawa yung
After the
impeachment
20th
trial?
Congress convenes. That's what I've been saying from day one. We will do all of the preliminary matters before trial, before the 20th Congress. But most likely, trial itself will commence once the 20th Congress convenes. Dahil kung hindi, tandaan nyo, matatapos ang term ng 12 senador pagkatapos ng June 30. Yung sinasabi kong palitan ng dokumento, tapos na yung June 30 dun So, 12 lang ang senador. Paano naman kami magta-trial ng 12? Siguradong panalo na yung nasasakdal dahil walang 2/3. Diba? So, the soonest time you can convene the impeachment court for trial purposes would be once the Senate is complete with 24 members. That will happen after June 30 and once the new Senate has entered into function.
SP, last na po, yun lang pong sa SC petition, yung order po for the Senate to comment. Sinabi niyo po na Solgen yung sasagot. Ano po yung extent ng participation ng Senate doon sa prosesong yun, if any?
We will cooperate with the Solgen with whatever information or assistance they may need. I already talked with Solgen Guevara the other day, precisely to tell him that we are referring the case to him. Sabi ko, okay lang ba na silang mag-handle ng kaso dahil tila iba ang opinion ng ilang mambabata sa Kamara kaugnay sa bagay na ito. Maliwanag ang sagot niya, kaya ni-refer ko sa kanya yung kaso. Sabi niya, hindi party sa kasong to ang Kamara. Ang dinedemanda ng mandamos ay ang Senado lamang. At ikakatawan niya ang Senado kaugnay sa posisyong tinatahak na ng Senado ngayon.
Next, Business World.
Sir, good morning. When do we expect the response from the Solgen on the
what?
Yung response po ng Solgen on the SC's order?
They will comply with the periods given by the SC. I think the period given was 10 days ba? 10 days from receipt. So, they will comply.
Sir, on another topic, President Marcos signed earlier yung extending the term of the PCG commandant to 3 years po. So, are we expecting that this law would secure our disputed waterways amid the tension with China, sir?
Well, the current commandant of the Coast Guard has been doing a good job, both in the eyes of the President and to my mind as well. And I completely agree, if at all, with the extension of his term. This was one of the amendments to the Coast Guard law that the President asked for. And I was the one that sponsored it on the floor. Isa to sa mga hinabol namin panukala dahil magre-retiro yung commandant sa pagkakataon ko, February 21. So, kailangan maging effective yan bago nun para yan ay mag-apply sa kanya.
Sir Cecil sa Star, eto po ako, bawal lang tumayo kasi may camera sa likod. Yun, bali, kailan natin ina-expect na magkakaroon ng mapapadala ng copy ng Articles of Impeachment si BP?
After June 2, pag na-approve yung rules authorizing me to issue the summons and a copy of the complaint. Sa katunayan, sumulat ang isang abogadong nagpapakilalang abogado ni VP Sara. Humihingi ng certified true copy ng complaint. Ang isasagot ng secretariat ay in-upload namin sa website yan. Hindi kami, sa pananaw namin, wala kami sa lugar mag-issue ng certification dun sa impeachment dahil Kamara ang gumawa niyan. Tinanggap lang naman namin. So kung gusto niya, manghingi siya ng kopya sa Kamara, pero nasa website ng Senado yung kopya, at intayin lang niya kapag maayos na yung rules ng Senado, makakatanggap sila ng may sapat na panahon para sumagot doon sa impeachment complaint pag napadalhan na sila ng summons.
Speaking of the lawyer, kakilala na, meron ng mga legal personality sila na lumalapit para nga doon sa mga proceedings about yan? O ito pa lang na...
Yun pa lamang. At ang problema ko doon ay wala pa kasi yung impeachment court eh. Wala pang abogadong formally nag-e-enter ng appearance para sabihin nga kami ang abogado ni VP Sara. Malay naman namin kung totoo yun. Hindi ko sinasabing nanloloko yung sumulat, pero malay namin kung totoo yun. Wala pa naman sa tamang proseso.
Kailan po mag-start yung ganung tamang proseso, sir?
Pag na-convene yung impeachment court. Pag sumumpa yung, mako-convene yung impeachment court kapag sumumpa yung mga impeachment court.
Yun likely June 2 or yung after na ng June 30?
June 2. After what?
After na ng June 30 o June 2?
June 2, posible i-convene na yung court or amendahan lang yung rules na in-authorize ng Senate President na gawin lahat ng pinag-usapan natin kanina. Pag nag-convene yung impeachment court, susumpa na muna yung mga senador sa 19th Congress. All 23 of us. Tapos, pag yung trial, magsimula na talaga sa 20th Congress, para sa akin, ang susumpa na lamang ay yung mga bagong senador. Hindi yung mga miyembro ng 19th Congress na matatapos pa ang termino sa 2028.
Okay. Last na, sir.
So, kalahati ay susumpa pagdating ng 20th Congress.
Okay. Last na, sir. Ano yung common sentiment ngayon ng mga senador when it comes to impeachment if na pinaparating sa'yo? Thank you.
Hindi ko sila nakakausap dahil busy sila sa pangangampanya. Siguro yun na yung sagot sa tanong mo. Busy sila sa pangangampanya. Hindi, busy sa pangangampanya kung kaya't at wala namang sesyon. Talagang panahon ng kampanyahan ito. Kaya hindi para sa kanila na mangulit kaugnay sa bagay na ito. So far, yung opinion at sulat na pinadala o liham na pinadala ni Senator Pimentel sa pagkakakilala ko sa kanya. May mga malalakas lang talagang paniniwala at prinsipyo si Senator Pimentel. Alam ko, nangangampanya din siya mismo. Pero para sa kanya marahil kung anong tingin niya ay tama, yun ang ilalagay niya sa kanyang liham. Kaya ginagalang at nirespeto yung kanyang posisyon.
SP, since impeachment is a political process, don't you think it would be judicial overreach on the part of the SC kung aakto sila dun sa mandamus at saka certiorari petitions?
Ironically, it's not Congress or the recipient of a judicial order that decides whether or not it's overreach or not, whether or not it's overreach. It's the Supreme Court that gets to decide that. Very much like the situation I narrated. May mga pagkakataong nangihimasok ang Korte Suprema. May pagkakataong sinunod sila ng Kongreso, may pagkakataong hindi sila sinunod ng Kongreso. So yung pagpapasya kung judicial overreach yan ay case to case. But as a general rule, I think Congress and the Senate should follow decisions of the court unless it is clearly violative of what we believe is right and constitutes already the overreach that you are mentioning. But as a general rule, I think we should be respectful of decisions of the court and take them into consideration and not treat it lightly.
Thank you, SP.
Ma'am Nancy.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's quite clear from the beginning that you said trial will push through. And you also said, in fact, nagbigay kayo ng examples on what have been followed, yung Supreme Court decision, not. And also, the question now is to when. Ang daming gustong mabilis. So what can compare under your leadership?
Balik ko
Wala.
sino ba yung may gustong bilisan?
There are petitions in courts.
I go, but those who want to rush the process are against the Vice President, are in favor of impeachment.
Okay.
Partisano nga eh. Those that are against are quiet, hindi kami kinukulit na madali nito, pabor malamang sa bise. O baka naman, sang-ayon sa ginagawa namin. Hindi ba?
So what can compel the Senate?
What is there to compel? No.
Nothing.
What? No. That's not my question. What is there to compel?
Not fast track. To immediately start the proceedings.
Why?
June 2.
Why?
Before.
Why?
Yeah, the word, well, baliktad. So, word na forthwith.
Exactly. Why? Forthwith. Corona impeachment. December 13 final, nag-hearing January 19 dahil may recess. Oh, mahigit 10 buwan yun. Forthwith, may nagreklamo ba?
But not 5 months.
Wait, may nagreklamo ba? This is not 5 months. That was the recess. That was the recess at that time. Mercedes Gutierrez impeachment. Same. Ito, 1 week ha. 1 week pa ang session ng Senado. Hindi nag-convene yung impeachment court. Kami 2 hours. Nagreklamo ba kayo na madalin? Nagsabi ba kayo na mag-convene yung impeachment court ng December? Mercy Gutierrez. March 23, final ang impeachment. Nag-adjourn ng Senado March 26. Nag-convene ang impeachment court late May na rin. Mahigit 1 buwan din. Dahil nagkataon, yun din ang recess noon. Nagreklamo ba yung nagreklamo ngayon? Now, why should I treat this impeachment complaint differently from that of Gutierrez and Corona na nagkataong tumugma din sa recess? So I ask the question, why should we do it? Is the VP special? Or marami, nagigigil ka lang ba na matuloy na talaga to? Anong pinakaiba? I don't see the urgency, neither do I see the basis for compelling us. Again, principally because we're merely following precedents na nagkataon ng ganun. Ni walang nagreklamo, ni isa sa kanila na mag-hearing kami nung Pasko nun. Nandun ako sa Senado nun eh. Na mag-hearing kami nung Mayo. Pagkakas ng eleksyon nun.
So, tatawid siya sa 20th Congress. There's no, wala hong bawal doon. I mean, walang legal questions na pwede siyang magamit.
Kung gaano karami ang abogado, ganun karami ang legal na question. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin wala magka-question. But as I said earlier, ang SET, Senate Electoral Tribunal cases, tumatawid ng Kongreso. 19th to 20th, 18th to 19th, 17th to 18th, nagpapalit yung mga senador, may na-elect na bago, may nagre-retire na justice, tumatawid siya. And that's the closest analogy I can think of. That's a case, very much like an impeachment case, not a piece of legislation that has to start from scratch all over again. Because as we keep on saying and learning the words again in Latin, impeachment is sui generis. It's a class of its own. But the closest would be an analogy, would be a case pending in court. At tanongin ko, lahat ng collegial courts, the Senate as an impeachment court is a collegial court. Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, COMELEC, Sandigan Bayan. Pag nag-retire ba yung justice, dismiss lahat ng kaso? Di ba tuloy lang yung kaso? Di ba ganun naman? So, same is true here. Now, someone can always question that, but we will stand by our position that it should finish. What we started as a Congress, as an impeachment court, we should finish and we should not leave it hanging.
So at the moment, nothing can compel this Senate to...
Well, an order of the
immediately-
court. But then again, if the court orders that, then the Senate would have to meet and decide. Again, dahil minsan nga may sinusunod, minsan may hindi.
Yeah.
But if you ask me, we should accord due respect to the decisions of the court.
But otherwise, you won't follow.
Otherwise, we won't follow who? We cannot.
the
There's no
ruling.
session eh. No, we cannot. There's no session. Gustuhin ko man, di naman pwede. Sabi ni Senator Coco, pwede naman kami mag-lunch eh. Wala naman problema. Kahit dinner pa nga eh. Pero kung may legal validity yun, hindi ko alam. No, I don't know what legal validity it will have. And we're just opening up ourselves to legal question. Why will I do that at this juncture?